guys, this is Mansi from evidyati.in. Now we're starting with question number 2 of exercise 5.4. So in this question we have say true or false. So यहाँ पे हमें कुछ statements given है, हमें बताना है statements true है या false. So the first one is the measure of an acute angle is, ये किसका साइन है? Less than का. So the measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. क्या पूछा है हमसे कि जो acute angle होता है वो 90 डिग्री से कम होता है. So it is right. Yes, because एक acute angle 90 डिग्री से less होता है. So it is true. Okay. Next we have the measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90 degree. Again यहाँ पे ये less than का साइन है. So they are saying obtuse angle 90 डिग्री से कम होता है, which is false because obtuse angle हमारा 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा होता है. So this one will be false. Next we have the measure of a reflex angle is more than 180. अब यहाँ पे ये more than का साइन है. So they are saying कि एक reflex angle 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा होता है, which is true. Yes, a reflex angle is more than 180 degree. So it is true. Okay, so this was part number A, B and C. Let's come to the other parts. Now coming to the D part. D part में हमारे पास है the measure of a complete revolution equals to 360 degree. Complete revolution का क्या मतलब है? ये जो हमारा complete angle होता है like this. जैसे straight angle इस तरह से होता है, so complete angle इस तरह से होता है पूरा एक circle form में, right? So they are saying कि complete revolution 360 degree का होता है, which is true. A complete revolution is 360 degree. जैसे हमारा straight angle 180 degree होता है, so 180 plus 180 is 360. ठीक है? So a complete revolution is 360 degree. So this is true. Next we have if. अब ये क्या लिखा है? This means measure of angle A. M means measure and this is the sign for angle. ठीक है? So if measure of angle A equals to 53 degree, अब वो बता रहे हैं कि angle A 53 degree है and measure of angle B equals to 35 degree और angle B हमारा 35 degree का है. Then measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle B. So क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि ये जो angle A है वो angle B से बड़ा होगा. So it's but obvious 53 is greater than 35. So we can say angle A is greater than angle B. So this one is true again. Okay. So this was the last part of this question. Let's come to the next question.